Activating your new phone on Metro by T-Mobile is straightforward, with options for both traditional SIM cards and the newer eSIM technology. First, ensure your phone is unlocked and compatible with Metro's network. You can check this using your phone's IMEI number on Metro's website. There are two types of SIM options available. A physical SIM card is a removable chip, while an eSIM is embedded directly in your phone, offering enhanced security since it cannot be physically removed. To activate with a physical SIM card, power off your phone, insert the SIM, visit Metro's activation page, and follow the instructions, providing your IMEI and SIM card numbers. For eSIM activation, contact Metro to get a QR code or activation code. Then go to your phone's settings to add and activate the eSIM. Metro will provide you with a QR code that you can scan directly with your phone's camera to complete the eSIM activation process. Both physical SIM and eSIM activation methods are straightforward and will get your Metro by T-Mobile service up and running quickly. When switching to Metro by T-Mobile, you can keep your existing phone number and avoid unnecessary fees. Here's exactly what you need to know. First, gather essential information from your current phone provider. You'll need your provider's name, your account number, your PIN or password, and your complete billing address, including zip code. Before starting the transfer process, contact your current provider to request a port-in PIN. Confirm that your device is unlocked and ask them to remove any blocks on your account that might prevent the transfer. Here's a key money-saving tip. Activate your phone online to avoid the $25 activation fee charged at Metro stores. Online activation is free and just as effective. The number transfer process typically takes 1 to 2 hours to complete. During this time, your old service will be deactivated and your number will be active on Metro by T-Mobile. Here are two important tips. If you encounter issues and need to call customer service, don't hesitate to ask them to waive the activation fee. Also, keep your old phone active until the transfer is completely finished to avoid any service interruption.